Hi guys and welcome. In this lecture I'm going to show you how to deal with the layers, how to create a new one, how to make drawings or drafting in a certain layers and stuff like that. First of all, how to create a layer. First, as you can see, this bar here tells you in which layer you are. And this is the name of the layer that we are in here. 0, which refers to the layer that we are in here. Click on it. See? We only have one layer named 0. Now, how to add a new layer from this button here, which is Layer Property. Click on it. This window will appear to you. And as you can see from this window, you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 buttons. The first one, just wait for a second. The first one refers to a new layer. Second is for the new frozen one for deleting, and this for setting the current. As you can see, this check here will tell you that this is the layer that we are on this time. So now we are on this layer, the 0 one, okay? This is the name of the layer that we are on, the 0 one. How to add a new layer? As we said, from this button here, click on it. This is the name of the layer that we want to change. Let's name it drawing. Click enter, and then this is the layer that we have. If you want to make this layer is the current layer, we have to activate it or select it, then go to this button, set current. See, this check moved from here to here. Okay, let's move on to these properties here. The first one is, as you can see, there is a light or a bulb here. And this button or this sign will tell you whether this layer is hidden or not. So when you click on it, as you see, this light is off right now, and this will tell you that all the objects and all the drawings on this layer are hidden, okay? Click on it again, and it is on again. So when you want to hide the current layer, this box will appear to you. The current layer will be turned off. What to do? What do you want? Turn the current layer off or keep the current layer on? And this is important for you since when you are working in one layer and maybe there's some commands and some working are happening, they are warning you whether you want to turn off the current layer or not. Okay, let's activate it again. Now we're on again. This sign is for the freeze, and the freeze will what? When you click on the freeze command or option, it will hide all the objects on this layer. So when you freeze a layer, you will hide all the objects and all the drawings on this layer, okay? The lock, you cannot change or modify anything. Let's see here. You will not be able to modify any object on this layer. It will be invisible for you, but you cannot modify anything, okay? This is for the plotting. We're not going to talk about it in this lecture. Let's go to the color. All the lines or all the objects and drawings in this layer will be in the color white, okay? Click on it to change the color, then pick any color you want. Let's change it for red, for example. No, we don't want to change this. We want to change the drawing one for red, okay, and then it is red. Okay, now the line type, as you can see, can we make it bigger to see? Okay, the line type, when you click on it, the line type, there's different type of line. You have the continuous one, which is a solid line. There is the hidden one, which is slashed line, and there's the center line. I will show you. You have to load your lines from a library on AutoCAD. Now, as you can see, there's this dashed one, and we call this line the hidden line, okay? All the dashed lines are used for the hidden lines or the objects, okay? And then there is some kind, you can search for your lines here. Listen, for example, type hidden, HIDDEN. Press enter, select one or more lines, type to load, okay. Let's go move down. Have the center line, dash, more dash, dash, small dash, dash, small dash, center 2, but they are just smaller in scale. This is larger in scale. Let's go to the hidden. Go to hidden. This is the hidden one. Dashed line, hidden 2, smaller scale, this is the larger scale. Okay, let's for example change it for what? For hidden, then press OK. Now you can see that the hidden this is here. Okay. Now the line type for the layer 0 is hidden. Okay. The line weight is the line thickness. You can change the line thickness that you want. Let's change it for this. We have the transparency. You can change the transparency from 0 to 90. We will not play with this kind of things, okay? So we're not going to change it. And this is it for the layers and working with layers and how to create layers and how to modify all the properties of one layer. And that's it for this lecture.